Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the defrost thermostat on a Frigidaire refrigerator. You might need to change this part out if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you can get notified when we post new videos. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a heat gun, and wire strippers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always remember to disconnect your fridge by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before testing or making a repair. To access the defrost thermostat, first we need to open the freezer door and remove the shelving. You will also need to remove the shelving rails on the left side by removing the 2 1/4-inch screws that hold them on. Then remove the 4 1/4-inch screws that hold the back panel in place. After you take the back panel off, you can find the defrost thermostat on the evaporator at the top left side. To remove the defrost thermostat, you'll need to unclip it from the evaporator coil. Make note of which line and location the thermostat came from. Now grab your wire strippers. You should see a cutter part on it. You can use that to cut the wires close to the thermostat. Then strip the wires that remain on the refrigerator about 1/4 inch. Now you can install the new thermostat using the butt connectors. Place one end of the connector onto the thermostat and crimp it down. Then use the second connector on the other wire and crimp it down. Slide the blue wire from the thermostat onto the exposed blue wire on the refrigerator and crimp the connector on. Then do the same thing with the light blue wire. Then use the heat gun to melt the heat shrink until it fully seals the connector. While doing this, be careful not to melt the insulation on the wires. Once the wires have been reconnected, clip the defrost heater back to the correct evaporator line at the top. Then put the back panel in place and reinstall the 4 1/4-inch screws. Once you put the shelving and drawers back into place and plug the refrigerator back in, you're done. You made it. Great job. And thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a replacement defrost thermostat yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Don't forget to plug your refrigerator back in or turn that breaker back on. And while you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.